part 3 of the Stout Tent install. We're going to do a walk around, a little review, and show you some of the features of it. I also have a hack that I think I created, but I could be wrong, of how I reuse pool noodles. So stick around after the short intro. As you can see at the bottom right now, all I have is the windows open, and then it's solid. All of the other places, there's my finger, all of those places, I think the bug guard piece on the outside unzips, and so all of that gives you air with a net inside of it. Let's go see. Number one, this was that pocket that was on the inside. The next two pieces here are two pieces that I would change, or I'd have to ask for an addition. The cord pocket piece here, and then the little zippy next to it, which I think you can put cords or something through both of those. They're only on one side of the tent, and that I think is unfortunate, because I would like to have that on both sides. Right now I'm running a cord out of my barn through my yard, and I'm coming all the way around my tent just to bring the cords back in. If those were on the other side, I'd been able to get right into the tent from that side. So I think that that should be on both sides of the tent. I'm just saying. And it is for cords and stuff to go in. And of course, once you put the stuff into it, you can close it up all nicely. I'm not using that, so I'm going to put it back and Velcro it. Right. And then here is a little slit with a zipper in it. And I guess you could pass stuff through there also. So here's the bungees that I ended up undoing. And when you undo the bungee, there's a zipper here. Let me zip it back up. And this zipper releases the canvas from the inside net part. So I have to undo all of those bungees so that I can get that up. And it looks like once I undo these, that I can roll this up. I don't know what this little plastic sleeve here is for, but I'm sure that it can be used for something. Maybe you can put your tent number in it. Emergency contact information or something. And here is this clippy thing that holds the canvas up out of the way under this nice little slopey part. Again, it's hard to see this, but there is the little clippy pieces. And then I'm just gonna keep rolling these puppies up all the way around. Then I'll be back to show you what it looks like on the inside once they're all rolled up. I unzip the bungee. I can also open the doors up to get air through, as you can see. So I'm going to finish this other side, and then we're going to go back on the inside. So here I figured out that when I originally put those large stakes down, and then I went and clipped the bungees all around, I went back and knocked my stakes down, but I knocked them down so far that I couldn't unclip that bungee to lift up that outer wall. So I had to get the hammer, go back, and pull those stakes up just a little bit to allow me a little room to move that piece from up under there. So now I know, don't hit the stakes all the way down, leave, at least an eighth or a quarter of an inch of it sticking out so that I can actually go back and forth and move the wall up and down. So one of the things that I'm discovering is while I'm trying to do stuff around the tent, these guidelines, I keep tripping over them. And because I'm not paying attention, when I walk kind of fast and doing something, the rope is hitting my leg. And so it hurts a little bit. I have a fix for that though. I got pool noodles, and I think I'm going to take my pool noodles and put them all on the guidelines all the way around. We'll see how that looks at the end. Okay, so it's all bug guard unzipped. So now we're going to go inside and see what that does. I'm not sure how good this looks to you guys, but I mean, now that this is unzipped, there is a net that's still left, and my wall at the bottom is all open. And now there's air in here, because I'm going to tell you, I was burning up in here. It's really nice. Really nice. I'm really impressed. The door, you can completely see out the front, full net. So if you didn't have the 360 bug guard, you would not have this net all the way around the bottom. So when you opened up your canvas on the outside from the bungee cord, all of that would just be open without the net to keep the bugs out. So that's what the bug guard part is. That is well worth the money. Unless you just like bugs, then have at it. It's supposed to rain today, and I honestly hope that it does, because I think I'm gonna go in the house and pull some stuff together so I can come out here and just chill, try to play with the space. It's nice and roomy in here. I guess I'll know exactly how much room once I've seen people put full-size beds, and I can see that. We are all done, and the pool noodles are attached to the guidelines for a little safety trip hazard warning. Follow me over to part 4 where we go inside and go over some of my decorating thoughts. All you have to do is click that box right there. I'll wait. Thanks for watching.